Hi, and welcome to our 23rd Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, well, they refer to me as DJ, and I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today what we're going to be taking a look at is Skype and sharing workbooks. And what I'm going to do, it's pretty intense, so what I'm going to do is read to you out of the Excel book on these two subjects. And you can always listen to it again if you have any questions or are not clear on something. Okay? This is called Skype and sharing workbooks. If you have access to Skype, Instant Message, or have Microsoft Link software installed on the device running Excel, you can share a workbook saved on your Skype drive by sending a link to a coworker or client via instant messaging. To do this, simply open the workbook saved on your SkyDrive in Excel 2013 and then select the Send by Instant Message option on the share screen in the Excel Backstage view. Then fill in the recipient's name in the To column, text box, or select it from your address book using the Search the Address Book for Contacts button that immediately follows this box. Type any message about the spreadsheet you want to include into the Type Your Message Here text box, and then select the Send IM button that appears next to the bottom of the right-hand side of the share screen under the heading Send by Instant Message. If you want to send a copy of the workbook via instant message, it must be saved on a local drive on the device running Excel 2013 and your message software. To do this, use the Save As command to save a copy of your workbook on a local drive. Then open that copy in Excel 2013 before you select Send by Instant Message option on Excel's share screen in the Backstage view. When presenting worksheets online, if the device running Excel 2013 also has Microsoft's Links 2013 online communication software installed, you can present your worksheets to the other attendees as part of any online meeting that you organize. To do this, first open the workbook you want to present at the online meeting in Excel 2013 before you select the Present Online option in the Program Share screen. In the Backstage view, click the Share button under the Present Online heading that appears on the right side of the share screen. If no meeting in Link is currently running on your computer, a Share Workbook window dialog box appears when you can launch one by simply clicking OK. Your name then appears in the floating Link conversation window. When you select the workbook file on this palette, the conversation window closes and the active worksheet of the Excel workbook you're presenting appears in a presentation window with a golden outline around it. At the very top of the window containing your worksheet, you see a Currently Presenting mini menu. When you first present a worksheet, you have control over it. While you're in control, any menu selections or edits that you make to the sheet are visible to all other attendees of the same link meeting. If you wish to give editing control to another attendee, simply select his or her name from the Give Control drop-down menu. You can then take, little break there, you can then take back control of the worksheet by selecting the Take Back Control option at the very top of the Give Control drop-down menu. When you're finished presenting the worksheet and no longer want it to be visible to the other attendees, click the Stop Presenting button on the right side of the mini menu at the top of the presentation window. The conversation window with your name in it then reappears, and you can exit the meeting by clicking its Close button. You then return to the open workbook in Excel 2013, where you can save and abandon any editing changes made by you or by any other attendees to whom you ceded control during the time of the worksheet that was being presented. Okay, so you might want to listen to that again, okay? Like I said, it's a little intense, but you know, after you do it a couple times, it'll be no big deal, okay? Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn a little more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs. That will help your business be more streamlined and more cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.